Hello friends and welcome to the first tutorial of Conic section. In this tutorial, we're gonna solve few questions related to the topic which we have discussed before. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first question says, find the locus of a point which moves such that its distance from the point 0, 1 is twice its distance from the line 3x plus 4y plus 1. Now, in the previous lecture, we have discussed that if we get a fixed point, that is the focus, and if we get a fixed straight line, that is known as directrix. So now we have focus, we have directrix, we have a point P that is x comma y. So now we have to find the equation of conic. So we know that focus has coordinates alpha comma beta and directrix has the equation as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And we know that the generalized equation of conic which we found out was x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to e square times ax plus by plus c whole square divided by a square plus b square. We just have to substitute the value over here and we'll get the equation of conic. So as it is written twice, it means that eccentricity will be equal to 2, as eccentricity is equal to SP by PM, which is the ratio. So now substituting the value of alpha, which is 0, we'll get just x square. Y minus beta whole square will be y plus 1 whole square which will be equal to, since eccentricity is 2, e square will be 4 multiplied by 3x plus b plus 4y plus 1 divided by a square plus b square, which is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 25, and this will be whole square. So by solving this, the locus of the point x comma y which we'll get will be 11x square plus 39y square plus 96xy plus 24x minus 18y minus 21 is equal to 0, and this is the locus of the point P x comma y which moves in a plane such that its distance from 0 comma minus 1 is twice its distance from the line 3x plus 4y plus 1. So let's move on to the next question. What conic does the equation represent? We have an equation. We need to find out what conic does it represent. So first of all, we must remember the fact that to identify conic, we need to find out the value of E, that is eccentricity. So now over here, what is this written? Can we simplify this? This is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. And can we take 25 to the denominator of RHS? Yes. And so this will be 4x minus 3y plus 1 whole square divided by 25. So now we have alpha, we have beta, we have directrix, and we also have a square plus b square. You know, a square is 16 plus b square, which will be 9, which will give us 25. So therefore, we have something like 1 square written over here. And we know that x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to e square times 4x minus 3y, or the directrix whole square, upon a square plus b square. So since we can have the multiplication with 1 over here, we get e square as 1 square, or we get e as 1. Since e is always positive, since it's a ratio, e is equal to 1, and therefore we get that this conic section is parabola. Simple question, nothing to worry about. It's just the starting of the chapter. Moving ahead, we'll get some difficulties and we'll try to solve them with some tricks and make this chapter easy and fun. So guys, this is from the first tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Yojit Bhasin signing off. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.